open VN app link in the description. First step, tap on plus icon. Now select new project. Now select photo. You have to select total 16 photos. 16 photos. Now tap on arrow. Friends, remember the first photo you have to keep 3.40 seconds. Okay, 3.40 seconds. Perfect. Second photo, total remaining 15 photos, 0.40 seconds. 0.45 seconds. Remaining 15 photos. Okay, remember that. Now select the second photo, select the FX, and you have to keep zoom in. Okay, zoom in. Now tap on apply to all. Okay, now select the third photo and keep it 0.45 seconds. Remaining all photos you have to keep exactly 0.45. Friends, we finally kept all 15 photos 0.45. Now select the last black color background. Now tap on delete. Now we have to go to music, select the music and select the audio link in the description. Now tap on tick. Friends, select the first photo, select the FX. Now come to first and you have to select white or black, your wish. Okay, I'm selecting black. Now simply stretch it to the last. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our tutorial is ready. I'm going to play once. Now see. Friends, this is the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this. The audio link in the description, and I will give you these numbers how to keep. Okay, now tap on export.